This is a virtual room. It's an interior room, but you have a camera that is live. So you can see the cars moving. So it makes you not claustrophobic. It's turnaround day. It's a disaster. Trash everywhere. All right, we're going back to the suite, see if we can find an open door. How many people are doing back-to-backs?
That's a lot.
A lot of people. And the line is behind me too. And they've already gave away probably 3/4 of them. Good morning. We're in the dining room.
We're sitting here waiting to get
New cards.
cleared and everything for the back-to-back. We got our new room card. Now we have to go through customs and stuff. And we didn't know how many people would be on here, but there's
There's a
stuff
lot
on
doing back-to-backs.
at least 100 companies.
At least. So that's a lot. That's the most I've ever seen. But anyway, so they do it almost the same as Carnival, but we were here. We had to be here at 8:30 instead of 10.
So far.
So hopefully we'll be back on earlier. All right, we'll let you know.
Okay.
It's all quiet now. Nobody around but employees and me. It's Embarkation Day. Normally I walk where you hate.
It's cold out here.
Yeah, it is. Morning.
I thought it was going to be fun. Good morning. Good morning.
What day is it?
It's cruise day number 2. Here we go. We're trying to get back on the ship.
I don't want to fall.
Whoa! Ah! All right.
All right.
Get off.
Get off.
You're going to get in trouble.
No, this isn't security anymore.
All right, then I'm not going to act like I know you.
I'm not gonna act like I know her either. Here we go, herding a bunch of cattle back onto the ship. Pretty smooth process, just a lot of people. I mean a lot of people. There's probably 200 people doing a back-to-back.
We just saw you.
You're not the first. You're not the first.
Me too, then.
All right, so this is the train, the Utopia train, which is really, really cool. It's a dinner. They come on here, they rob the train. So we went from the sea to the train. That's really cool. Really neat. And then you have another room over here. Really, really cool. You have your luggage, and you have another car here on your waiting station. Really cool.
Thank you.
beautiful day today. Not so beautiful. There's your whale tailless freedom. Disney Wish. There's the Utopia. Shrunk. This is from backstage. Terry got a spaghetti appetizer. I got scallops.
But it was in tampons.
Cheesecake
Yeah.
for dessert. I got nothing. So this is the line to your pizza now. We've never seen it like that. The buffet is closed.
Two people with costumes. If you have, tonight we have our big Halloween costume parade here in the Royal Promenade at 10:45. Even if you don't have a costume, come and join the party. It's going to be epic. Lots of great. The big Royal Caribbean birthday bash balloon drop. Who is celebrating a birthday this cruise? Make some noise. It's vacation time! Please welcome my sister.
running late.
As usual.
Right. What do you want to go?
Yep, we'll bring you that menu right about now.
Yeah, I don't know if it's because of them or I realize
Terry got the artichoke dip, chips, and I got the escargot.
Hard for me to try it.
I got tomato roasted soup. Terry got a crab cake that she didn't order.
Thank you.
Terry asked for an extra corn, and she got 3.
But I got
She
the
got
fried chicken.
chicken. And I got the fish. Yummy, yummy. But I'll help her eat some of that corn. How are we going?
We are on our way to the ice skating show. We didn't get to see it last week, so we made reservations tonight. But the way the ship is rocking and rolling, they might cancel it. We'll let you know.
I'll let you know. But you didn't doubt that for a minute, did you? She wouldn't mind me a chocolate martini, so we only got one.
We're gonna share it. So so pretty, and I'm sure it's so good. Let me taste it. Look how pretty it is.
So anyway,
Ooh, it's so good.
it is. That's why we drink them. Anyway, been a nasty day all day long. Raining all day.
That's like I've been talking.
So they claim it's going to be better tomorrow in the Bahamas. So we'll see.
Yeah.
So anyway, so we went to the casino. She lost, well, she didn't really lose $20 because I made up for it. But I put in and won 200. So we're still up. All right,
So hopefully it'll be a good cruise.
we're going to try to find something to do now and then
Like to watch a football game.
might go watch football.
Jaguars.
All right. So tomorrow, Nassau. We're going to stay on the ship. So, as most people did last week, they all stayed on. Nobody hardly got off.
They're hoping the weather's nice so
Yep.
we can be outside.
There you go. Yep. All right. So we'll see you in the morning. Night night.